In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync data in the Epic Games Launcher using cloud saves so your game progress can follow you from one device to another. This is a really useful feature if you play on more than one PC or if you want your save data to stay backed up automatically whenever you close a game. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and sign in to the account that you use for your games. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom left corner or the top area of the launcher and click your profile icon. This is where Epic keeps your account-related options, including launcher settings. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the main settings page for the Epic Games Launcher, where you can manage app preferences and account features. Now scroll through the settings until you find the option that says Enable Cloud Saves. This is the key setting that allows your game data to sync online instead of staying only on one device. Go ahead and check the box for Enable Cloud Saves. Once this is turned on, Epic Games will automatically save supported game progress to the cloud whenever you close a game. That means when you launch the same game on another device using the same Epic account, your saved data can sync back down and continue where you left off. After enabling the feature, you usually do not need to do anything else. Just make sure you fully close your game when you're done playing, because that gives the launcher a chance to upload the latest save data to the cloud. Then, on your other device, open the Epic Games Launcher, sign into the same account, and start the game again. The launcher should pull your save progress from the cloud automatically. If you don't see your progress syncing right away, give it a few moments and make sure both devices are connected to the internet. Also remember that cloud saves only work for games that support the feature, so not every title will sync the same way. But for supported games, this is the easiest way to keep your data updated across devices without manually transferring files. And that's it. You've now learned how to sync data in Epic Games by enabling cloud saves in the launcher settings. It only takes a few seconds, but it can save you a lot of time and protect your progress in the long run. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.